Hello students, already we have studied about group theory and its properties and examples. So today we shall study about cyclic group. So before going to the definition of cyclic group, first let us understand the meaning of the cyclic group. So in cyclic group there exists a generator. Generator is nothing but each elements of this group can be expressed in terms of any one of the element of this group, which is called as the generator. For example, here if consider a group G which has elements 1, -1, I and minus I. So see here 1, -1, I and minus I, all are these elements are known as the fourth root of unity. So now come to the point of generator. So I will try to express all these elements in terms of any one of the element of this group. One can be written as I into I into I into I. So I into I is equals to -1, which is equals to -1, -1 equals to +1. So I have represented 1 in terms of I, that is I power 4. Similarly, -1 must also be written in the form of I only. So see here -1 can be written as I into I, which is equals to, so say I into I is equals to -1, therefore it is I square. Next, I can be written as simply I, which is I power 1. So minus I can be written as I into which is equals to I cube, because I into I equals to -1 into I equals to I cube. Therefore all the elements are written in terms of I powers. Okay, powers may be different, but base is I only. So here this I is called as generator of the I, or G is the cyclic group which is generated by I. Okay, now got the definition of group, cyclic group. A cyclic group is nothing but it is a group in which each elements can be represented in terms of A power m. Here A is called generator. Okay, A is called generator. Okay, for every A belongs to G and m is any integer. So now let us see the definition of cyclic group. A group G is called cyclic if for some A belongs to G, every element x belongs to G is of the form A raised to n, where n is some integer. That is, each x can be written in the form of A raised to n. Then the element A is called the generator of the G. That is, G equals to x equals to A raised to n, such that A belongs to G and n belongs to Z. That means any integer. The cyclic group generated by A is denoted by angle brackets A. Okay, these brackets are known as the angle bracket. If the binary operation is addition, we have G equals to G is equals to a group such that x equals to NA, where A belongs to G and n belongs to Z. Suppose operation is addition. In the multiplication addition, we have x equals to A raised to n, but in the binary operation is addition, then x can be written as n into A. Next, the cyclic group may have more than one generator. Okay. So see here, in a cyclic group it is not mandatory that it has only one element, one generator. It may have many number of generator depending upon that elements of the group. So see here, now we shall see the example 1. So in the exam they may ask the question like this: show that the multiplicity group of fourth roots of unity is cyclic group. So we have seen already this example. multiplicative unity. The elements of fourth root of unity are 1 minus 1 I and minus y. Therefore G is equals to 1 minus 1 I and minus y. So 1 can be written as I power 4, minus 1 can be written as I square, I can be written as I power 1, and this I can be written as I cube. Therefore I is the generator of G. Therefore G is a cyclic group generated by I. So see here, the element minus I is also generator of G, because 1 can be written as minus I whole square, and minus 1 can be written as minus I power 4, and I can be written as minus I cube, and minus I can be written as minus I power 1. Okay, so this multiplicative group has two generators I and minus I. Next, second example, show that the multiplicative group of cube roots of unity is a cyclic group. We know that cube roots of unity are 1 omega and omega square. So let us see the solution. Given G equals to 1 omega and omega square, we know that omega cube is equals to 1. The value of the omega cube is 1. Now 1 can be written as omega cube, because omega cube equals to 1. Also omega can be written as omega power 1, which is equals to again omega, and omega square can be written as omega into omega, that is omega power 2. So see here, all the elements 1, omega and omega square are written in the form omega cube, omega 1 and omega power 2. Therefore omega is the generator. Therefore G is a cyclic group generated by omega.